OnePlus today announced that it is launching a new storage capacity variant for the Oneplus 12R in India. The new variant being launched features 8GB of LPDDR4X memory and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. This slots in between the existing 8/128GB model and the high-end 16/256GB model. The 8/256GB model is priced at 42,999 Indian rupees, right between the INR 39,999 8/126GB model and INR 45,999 16/256GB model. It will be on sale March 21, 12 p.m. IST from Oneplus.in, OnePlus Store app, Amazon.in, OnePlus Experience stores, and other offline retail partner stores. The company also has additional offers for this variant, including free OnePlus Buds Z2, 1,000 Indian rupees instant bank discount for ICICI and OneCard users, and 9-month no-cost EMI. There will be in multiple variant of 8GB RAM/128GB storage and 16GB RAM/256GB storage with OnePlus 12R. OnePlus's upcoming mobile OnePlus 12R is expected to launch soon in Pakistan. OnePlus 12R will come with multiple color options of iron gray and cool blue. The handset houses amazing internal specs, screen size, camera setup, battery timing, and OnePlus 12R mobile performance. OnePlus 12R camera setup includes 50MP triple rear camera and 16MP selfie camera. Display of OnePlus 12R supports up to 1264 by 2780 pixels resolution and a screen size of 6.78 inches. The performance of OnePlus 12R is based on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 4nm chipset and Adreno 740 GPU.